Interrupted with the SweetPea Support DLL blocking Adobe workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To kick off the SweetPea Support guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the SweetPea Support, a specialized Adobe SweetPea Support module. It manages unmanaged UI templates and layout manifests specifically for early versions of Adobe Premiere and After Effects plugins. It ensures that legacy filter panels render correctly within the host UI. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue indicates a structural problem within Adobe's installation. Reinstall the latest version of Adobe from the official site to restore SweetPea Support DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the SweetPea Support file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. If you're attempting to register SweetPea Support DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to SweetPea Support. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing SweetPea Support was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.